Are you struggling with bloating, slow metabolism, or dull skin? Then Cumin Water, also known as Zeera water, might just be your secret weapon. In today's video, I'll explore the powerful health benefits of drinking cumin water and how you can easily make it at home. Stay tuned. Cumin seeds have been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. But what happens when you soak them overnight and drink the water in the morning? Let's break it down. 1. Boosts digestion. Cumin stimulates digestive enzymes and bile production. It can reduce bloating, indigestion, and acidity, making your stomach feel lighter. 2. Aids in weight loss. Cumin water increases your metabolism and suppresses appetite. Drinking it daily may help in burning fat more efficiently. 3. Detoxifies your body. It flushes out toxins, cleanses the liver, and promotes better hydration, a great way to start your day fresh. 4. Enhances skin glow. Rich in antioxidants, cumin water fights free radicals and improves blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Regulates blood sugar. For people managing diabetes or insulin resistance, cumin water helps maintain blood sugar balance when consumed regularly. 6. Improves immunity. It's loaded with iron and essential minerals, helping your immune system stay strong and active. 7. Relieves constipation and acidity. It works as a mild laxative, relieving constipation naturally while cooling down acid levels in the stomach. Making cumin water is super simple. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 cup, or 200 to 250 milliliters, of water, method 1. Soaked overnight. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, strain it and drink it warm on an empty stomach. Method 2. Instant boil. If you forgot to soak overnight, just boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Best time to drink: early morning on an empty stomach. Optional. Add a few drops of lemon juice or a pinch of turmeric for extra benefits. Warnings and tips. While cumin water is safe for most people, here are a few things to keep in mind. Don't exceed 1 to 2 cups per day. Too much may cause heartburn or lower blood sugar too much. Pregnant women should consult their doctor before regular use. Always use pure, good-quality cumin seeds. So if you're looking for a natural, low-cost and effective way to boost your health, start your mornings with cumin water. Have you tried cumin water before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this natural remedy, and hit the bell icon for more herbal and wellness tips every week.